Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore comparable sales analysis with Realtor.com easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Realtor.com. Once the page loads, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the property address or the city you want to analyze in the search bar. Press the Enter key or click the search icon. On the results page, refine your search using the filter options if needed. Select the property type, such as single-family homes or condos. Adjust the price range according to your analysis requirements. Use the sold filter to focus on recently sold properties. Look for the option to sort your results, and select Most Recent Sale for the latest data. Scroll through the list of properties and note the relevant details. Click on the individual listings to view more in-depth information. Take special note of the sale price, square footage, and condition of each property. Record your findings in a document or spreadsheet for easy comparison. Once you've gathered several comparable properties, analyze their features. Compare the sale prices to determine market trends in the area. Use the information to determine a fair market value for your property. Consider factors such as location, upgrades, and overall market conditions. Review your data to ensure accuracy before making any conclusions. Stay updated by regularly checking back for new sales data on Realtor.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.